Today we are studying Oxford Reading Circle Book 1. Okay, and this is the first chapter of this book, Tom's Parrot. We are studying about the Tom's Parrot. Tom is the name of the boy. This is Tom. You can see the picture. Tom has a parrot. This parrot is sitting on the branch of the tree. The parrot is green. The color of the parrot is green. Can you see Tom's parrot? Yes. Tom's parrot is sitting on a tree. Tom calls his parrot, Polly, Polly, come here, Polly. The parrot does not come. Tom calls his parrot again, Polly, Polly, come here. Polly says, Tom. The parrot does not come. Tom calls his parrot again, Polly, come here. He says, the parrot does not come. The parrot does not come. Tom goes to his mom. Mom says, Tom, can I have a mango? Tom asks his mother, can I have a mango? Yes, Tom says Tom's mom. Tom's mom what says? She said, yes, you can have. You can have. Tom takes a mango. He goes to find Polly. Now he takes the mango from the mother and now goes to find Polly. Polly is sitting on the tree. Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot pecks the mango. Now how a peck? Pecks means what? अब एक है PACK पैक, एक है PECK. देखो पैक means when I say कि pack your bag, pack your things. So this is called this pack. But here it is PECK pack. Which pack?
PECK.
Pack. Pack means to say with the help of the teeth, cut. This is called pack. Okay. And this is also called pack when any bird or anything, I can show you like this. I can show you. I have made first of this also. When she just hand, have you seen chicken? Cut, they just eat their food like this. So it is as shown in this pic. This is PECK pack. And PACK pack means when I say now pack your bag. So this pack PACK and this PECK pack. Okay? Now, the parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot pecks the mango. Pecks the mango. Tom is happy. Polly and parrot is happy too. Polly and the parrot is happy too. Both of them are happy. Tom is also happy and parrot is also happy. Now you can read this also up. This is the sound of double E. Okay, this is the sound of double L. Here is the sound of double R. Now we will just study with me. TREE tree.
TREE tree.
GREE and green.
GREE and green.
FREE free.
FREE free.
These are all sounds of E. THREE three.
THREE tree.
KEEP
KEEP key.
MEET meat.
MEET.
Yes, meat. Speak loudly. POLLY Polly.
POLLY Polly.
HOLLY Holly.
HOLLY Polly.
Holly. HOLLY Holly.
HOLLY Holly.
DOLLY Dolly.
DOLLY Dolly.
CALL call.
CALL call.
HALL hall.
HALL hall.
BALL ball.
BALL ball.
PARROT parrot.
PARROT parrot.
CARROT carrot.
CARROT carrot.
SORRY sorry.
SORRY sorry.
A-G-A-I-N again. Now this is the sound of, it is bold letters में. A-I, 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 A. Now A-G-A-I-N again.
A-G-A-I-N again.
P-A-I-N, pain.
P-A-I-N pain.
R-A-I-N, rain.
R-A-I-N rain.
Good. Now, what is the parrot name?
Polly.
Very good. Where does the parrot sit?
On the tree.
Good. What does Tom say?
Polly, Polly, come here.
Very good. What does Tom do? Where he went? For the mango?
Find to Polly.
No, no. Where he went for the mango? He asked to whom to give?
Mama. Mom.
Yes, mom. When does the parrot come?
In the
When he got mango. When he got the mango, he came to Tom. Seeing the mango, he came down.
he came
Haan.
to the
Now find a word in the story which sounds like next.
next.
Just now I have studied.
Pets.
Pack. False.
Calls.
Very good. Carrot.
Parrot.
Good. Hot.
Not.
Very good. Me.
He.
Very good. Nappy.
Happy.
Very good. What is the color of the parrot?
Green.
Very good. Mango.
Yellow.
Very good. Tooth.
Uh,
Yes.
white.
White. Carrot color.
Reddish. Orange.
Reddish orange या orange हल्का हल्का सा just light. हाँ. Sometimes it is yellow color. Sometimes it is orange and sometimes it is red color. It may be red. It may be orange. It may be yellow. Okay. Now the lesson is finished and that we have finished the exercise. Now you do the reading from here and I'll ask the questions while you are reading.
This is Tom.
Yeah.
Tom.
First of all, heading should be
Tom's parrot.
Tom's parrot. Clearly.
Tom's parrot.
Very good. Now,
This is Tom.
yes.
Tom has a parrot.
These are the new words. First of all, this also you should read.
Parrot.
Very good.
Green.
Yes.
Polly.
Very good.
Calls.
Uh,
Does.
mm,
Again.
good.
Goes. Takes.
Hmm.
Mango.
Hmm.
Find.
Hmm.
Peaks. To.
Packs. Packs. क्या हो गया? What you are doing?
Two.
Very good. Now start from here.
This is Tom.
Yes.
Tom has a parrot.
Yes.
The parrot is green.
Very good.
Can you see Tom's parrot?
Huh?
Tom's parrot is sitting on a tree.
Very good.
Tom calls his parrot.
Yes.
Polly, Polly, come here, Polly.
Yes.
The parrot does not come. Tom calls his parrot again.
Now so look. Tom has a parrot. Now who has a parrot?
Tom has a parrot.
Good. What is the color of the parrot?
Green.
Very good. Where is the parrot sitting?
On the tree.
Very good. Who calls his parrot?
Tom.
Very good. Now, how is he calling? How is he calling?
Polly, Polly, come here, Polly.
Very good. The parrot does not come. Parrot came or not?
Not.
Very good. Tom calls his parrot again. How he is calling? Again say.
Polly, Polly, come here, Polly.
Very good.
Says Tom.
The parrot does not come. Okay, यहाँ से start reading.
The parrot does not come. Tom calls his parrot again. Polly, come here, he says. The parrot does not come. Tom goes to his mom. Mom says, Tom, can I have a mango? Yes, Tom says. Tom's mom.
Who gave mango to Tom?
Mom.
Very good. Now start from here.
Tom takes a mango. He goes to find Polly. Polly is sitting on a tree.
Yes.
Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, 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 come here, says Tom.
Yes.
The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot eats the
No, 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 no.
pecks the mango.
Packs the mango. How you say you pack your bag? In the same way, pronunciation is same. Pack, P-A-C-K pack and P-E-C-K pack. No difference. Again and again you are making the same mistake.
The parrot pecks the mango.
Yeah.
Tom is happy. Polly the Parrot is happy too.
Very good. And this exercise already we have done. Okay. Now you just learn the spellings, which are the new words. Learn the spelling and do the question answer in your copy. Okay.